Let's read Bulldozers. Do you like bulldozers? Ooh, there's one. A bulldozer at work. What is clearing the path? A bulldozer. How does it work? Look at the sharp ripper. It breaks up hard clay. Here's the ripper. Look at the heavy blade. It pushes dirt. There's the blade. Look at the bumpy tracks. They keep the bulldozer from sinking. Whoop. Here's the tracks. The driver sits in the cab. It is loud. She has earmuffs. See? Ears. Beep, beep. She backs up. The ground is flat. Now a road can be built. What more do? They make paths in woods. Smash, crash. They move rocks in quarries. Rumble, tumble. Oh no, an avalanche. Push, plow. Now the cars can go. Parts of a bulldozer. The cab, the part of the bulldozer where the driver sits. A blade, a heavy part on the front of a bulldozer that can go up and down. Tracks, wide, heavy metal links that give a bulldozer good traction. A ripper, an extra part of a bulldozer that can tear a deep, narrow hole in the ground. And this shows an avalanche, which is a mass of snow and ice that suddenly moves. Earmuffs, a covering for the ears to protect them from loud noise. Clay, a kind of earth that can be shaped when wet but gets hard when dry. And quarry, a place where stone is dug from the ground. And that was about bulldozers.